Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about Copaiba and what it is, how to use it, what it's used for, all sorts of fun stuff. So if that interests you, stay tuned and let's hop right into the video. Okay, so what is Copaiba? I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Feel free to correct me down below if I'm completely off. But anyway, so Copaiba is an essential oil that has a mild woody scent. So it's kind of similar to cedarwood, but way more mild. Some people don't smell it at all. It's just a nice, mild, woody aroma, which makes sense considering it comes from a tree that's from South America. So it's these giant trees with sap and all this tree stuff. But anyway, yeah. So Copaiba is just essential oil from a tree in South America. So let's hop into what are some of the uses for Copaiba. It is an amazing anti-inflammatory substance. It's actually one of the most anti-inflammatory substances in the world, which is just amazing. A lot of people also compare it to CBD or cannabinol, I believe is how you pronounce that. Anyway, so a lot of people will compare it to cannabinol because they have the same terpenes, which a terpene is kind of like it's the active ingredient in these substances like essential oils, CBD, cannabis, all of that good stuff. So the terpenes are what actually are going to give you the reaction and the benefits from it. So like, for example, if you go to a dispensary, I'm here in Nevada where it's legal to smoke marijuana. But when you look at a dispensary and marijuana packages that are from a dispensary, it'll tell you which terpenes are in it, so that's what tells you what effects you're going to be getting from it. Which terpenes are in like everything, so it's really cool that you can kind of break it down and see what kind of benefits you're going to be getting from a specific thing because of the terpenes and how they interact with your brain, your bloodstream, and how the body just reacts with them. So anyway, Copaiba has the same terpenes as CBD, cannabinol, which is the non-psychoactive ingredient in marijuana. So it's not THC, it's not going to get you high or anything, but it is that anti-inflammatory response, which is amazing. So it could be a good legal way to get the benefits that you would get from CBD without actually using marijuana, which I know is something that a lot of people are touchy on. Which that's amazing. So anyway, Copaiba is great. It's anti-inflammatory. It's also really good for anxiety. So it kind of helps just calm the nervous system, calm down the brain a little bit, help ease anxiety. It's also really good for when you get into those moods where all of those embarrassing things that happen, just all of those weird memories that just make you anxious and like keep you from sleeping at night, all of that kind of stuff. Copaiba will bring like a calmness so that you can kind of face those anxieties and get past them and move on with your life. Like there's no need to be embarrassed about things that happened 10 years ago. Copaiba is a good mechanism to help you get past those things. So absolutely amazing. It's also really good for high blood pressure and for muscle tension. So since it is anti-inflammatory, it will calm down the muscles. So muscle tension is an inflammation of the muscles generally. So with Copaiba being an anti-inflammatory and being very potent, it's really good to help with that muscle tension. So as a massage therapist, I do use Copaiba in my practice. So I use it on my clients when I have those muscles that I just can't get into, I can't help with. The Copaiba helps to relax their muscles and relax their mind. Like it's that mind, body, spirit connection that it just works on all three levels to really help heal the mind, body, and soul. So absolutely amazing. And also as an esthetician, you can use Copaiba to help with wrinkles and to help with skincare, acne, scarring, all sorts of beautiful stuff. Anti-inflammatory. Inflammation is like the killer of the body. It's terrible for your muscles, it's terrible for your skin, it's terrible for your health, just all around. So Copaiba helps with skincare. You can add a few drops into like an unscented moisturizer, just a nice light moisturizer. Add a few drops of your Copaiba and it's going to either help with your wrinkles, it will help if you've got acne scarring. It's also antibacterial and antimicrobial. So it's going to help if you've got crazy acne, put a few drops of Copaiba in your oil-free lotion that you should be using, because you should still be moisturizing your skin even if you have acne. Heads up. So yeah, you can just add a few drops of the Copaiba, and it's gonna work great with different oils like tea tree, Copaiba, to help with the skin. Also, frankincense is really good for your skin. So you just mix those, put it on, and it'll help reduce the appearance of acne. It'll help reduce acne scarring, and it'll just kind of help heal the skin and bring it to its full potential, which is absolutely amazing. So also one of the things that you can use Copaiba for is to help with PMS symptoms. It's going to help relieve like that muscle tension when you're getting that lower back pain, when you're getting muscle cramps. Like, it just helps relieve all of that stuff. And it also is really good for congestion. So when you are sick, I know everybody's go-to is eucalyptus, which is amazing, don't get me wrong, but Copaiba is kind of one of those hidden secrets that you can definitely use Copaiba to help with congestion, because it's going to help with the inflammation of your airways and let everything kind of flow out. Even better if you are really congested, to put like, I don't know, 5 drops of eucalyptus and like 2 drops of Copaiba in your diffuser, and you're just going to get the best. Copaiba is also known for amplifying other oils, so it's going to help other essential oils to work the way they need to. So it's just gonna benefit, build everything up so that you're getting the most out of your products. Because this crap is not cheap, so let's get the most out of what we pay for. Yeah, like, why not? Anyway, so I think I rambled on about Copaiba enough. So I don't know if you guys like this video. Let me know what you use Copaiba for, how you use it. Do you put it in your massage oils? Do you put it in your diffuser? Do you put it in your face creams? Let me know how you use your Copaiba. Let me know what you want me to talk about next and all of that good stuff. So I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for hanging out. Bye!